This is what I made using the trick shown in this video. Watch this video till the end to know more. It is literally as easy as logging onto their website, clicking a couple things and then cashing out your profit. What if I told you that you can make as much as $1,000 with this new website that I'm about to show you today? It's completely free, there's no effort required to do this, and no management, as is usually the case with other money-making endeavors such as freelancing or affiliate marketing. Here you just need to relax while your cash rolls into your account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please like this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the notification bell to be alerted whenever we publish a new video so you can be among the first to utilize it and, of course, make the most money. Today I'm going to show you a completely new website that genuinely gives out free money through gift cards. I'll also show you many ways to make money with this method more efficiently, and eventually I'll teach you how to put this whole process on autopilot so that you won't even have to lift a finger to make money. This method works literally everywhere around the globe. All you need is a laptop or a mobile phone with an internet connection. Now that you've been briefed about what we're going to do, let's begin. The first step is to come over to the site, which is called PrizeRebel.com. Here's how the website works. You sign up for a free account, earn points by completing short opinion surveys or easy offers, and then redeem points and choose from hundreds of gift cards. Here are some of the top rewards that you can redeem: Google Play gift card, Amazon gift card, Visa gift card, Roblox game card, PlayStation gift card, and so on and so forth. If you need more assurance that this website is working and reliable, you can see here that they've already partnered up with quite big brands. So what we will do now is come up to the home page of the site and create a free account. You can either sign up with Facebook or with Google. Alternatively, you can register by providing all of the details that they're asking, which would be your first name and your last name, your email ID, and your password, and just hit that Start Making Money button. And once you log in, that's going to take you straight into your dashboard, which should look just like this. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is hover your mouse over to the top of the site and select Offer Walls. That's going to take you over to this homepage right here where you can find different offers and surveys that you can participate in and learn from different app installs, info, submits, etc. Next, what I want you to do is click on the no cost option because we obviously don't want to spend any money to make money. Now, you can choose from any of the surveys displayed here and earn points for every survey that you complete. You can get paid for your opinions in the form of points. You can claim free samples, and you can even join in for $1,000 giveaways, and all of this for completely free. Now select Contest, and that's going to take you to the Offer Wall contest. To participate in contests, all you need to do is complete and earn the most points from offers from the offer wall within the contest period. You must complete the offers with real and genuine information. The more offer wall offers you complete, the more likely it is for you to win the top prize. Even if you are not from the United States, you can still participate in one of these, or even all of them, and you can earn points. That's probably already like thousands of dollars straight into your PayPal account. Now, if you come over to Win Again on the top of this website and select Raffles, it's going to take you over to this page. Now, they do have raffles every day, and this is also a way of earning money. And as you can see, there's all sorts of gift cards for you to win. And if you scroll down, you'll see upcoming raffles that you can prepare yourself for. So literally, this platform has everything you can ask for. Now, I know that everything I said is probably already so amazing and you just can't wait to try it out, but there is one more thing left, and that is to earn on complete autopilot. For that, all you need to do is come over to the Invite section on the top and then click on Earn with Referrals, which will take you over to this page. You just need to sit back and watch your earnings grow as your referrals earn points for you. In short, you will earn a 15% bonus based on their earnings. For example, if your referral earns $1,000, you will get $150 for absolutely free. Prize Rebel's referral program is one of the best ones out there. You can just copy your link by clicking the Copy Link button over here, and you can start to share it with literally everyone on your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter. You can also join several Facebook groups related to making money, and freelancing, you can pitch your referral programs in there. These are just some of the many ways to share your link in the cleverest way possible that people will actually want to click and join. Now, with your link, let's say you've accumulated 100,000 points already. You can immediately exchange that for $1,000 of hard cash. Just go to the rewards section on the top and click on it and scroll down to the bottom, and from the left-hand side, select PayPal, then select PayPal customer amount, and you will be taken to the next page. This is the page where you can type in the amount that you want, and in this case you want to type in $1,000 and then click on this button that will generate a free PayPal cash code for you. And boom, there's our $1,000 in our PayPal account. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe for more. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace!